Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Podcastle review. Is this the ultimate AI podcasting tool? Well, Podcastle is an AI-driven platform that aims to simplify and enhance the podcast creation process. From recording and editing to transcription and enhancement, it packs a suite of tools designed specifically to make podcasting more accessible and professional. So let's explore what it has to offer. We'll be talking about the features, the pricing, the pros and the cons, and you'll be able to make your choice. Just before we begin, we have the link to Podcastle in the description provided so you can have an easy access to check it out. And starting with the features, Podcastle boasts of a comprehensive set of features powered by AI. You have AI-powered recording where you get to record high-quality audio within your browser with features like noise cancellation and automatic level adjustment. Then you have Magic Dust, which is an AI-powered audio enhancement tool that automatically improves the clarity and quality of your recording. Then you have transcription, where you get an automatic transcription of your audio into text, saving significant time and effort. You have the text-to-speech, and this helps to generate realistic sounding voiceovers from text. There is also the multi-track editing, a user-friendly interface for editing multiple audio tracks. You have the remote interview recording, and this helps to easily record interviews with remote guests with separate audio tracks. The sound effect and music library gives you access to a library of royalty-free sound effects and music to enhance your podcast. Then if you're working with a team, there are collaboration tools where you get to invite team members to collaborate on your podcast projects. And now to the pricing. You have the basic, which is free, and this is a fantastic starting point with unlimited audio recording, basic editing tools, and 1 hour of lifetime transcription. The Essentials plan comes at $11.99. This plan unlocks the full AI audio toolkit. It has 8 hours of monthly video recording, 10 hours of monthly transcription, and 200 minutes of monthly text-to-speech. The Pro plan, which is priced at $23.99 per month, is a popular plan that includes all essential features, plus 20 hours of monthly video recording, 25 hours of monthly transcription, and 500 minutes of monthly text-to-speech. Then you have the Business at $39.99. This plan is designed for teams. It offers 50 hours of monthly recording, 100 hours of monthly transcription, and 1 terabyte of cloud storage amongst other features. Now here's our recommendation. If you're serious about producing professional podcasts with high quality audio and video, and you'd like to collaborate with your team, the Pro plan at $23.99 is the ideal choice. It provides a significant increase in video recording time, transcription limits, and text-to-speech capabilities. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, we like the intuitive and user-friendly interface, as you can see from the website. Then the powerful AI features like Magic Dust for audio enhancement. You have a seamless in-browser recording and editing. Automatic transcription also saves you valuable time, and the convenient remote interview recording with separate tracks. There is a growing library of sound effects and music, and the collaboration features for team-based broadcasting is a definite pro. On the flip side, with the cons, there is a reliance on internet connections for all functionalities. The free plan does have significant limitations, and you might consider that a con, and the advanced AI features are locked behind higher tier subscriptions. In conclusion, Podcastle presents a compelling all-in-one solution for podcasters of all levels. Its AI-powered tools streamline the often complex process of recording, editing, and enhancing audio, thus making it more accessible to beginners while offering powerful features for experienced creators. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get to Podcastle's website and choose a plan. It's packed with features you'll need to create a professional podcast that will captivate your audience. And if you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.